Hey there friends, I'm thrilled to welcome you back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to have some fun with ChatGPT by learning how to get it to share intriguing and entertaining facts about famous personalities. To begin, open ChatGPT interface. It's like having a knowledgeable friend right at your fingertips. Think of a famous person you're curious about. It could be an actor, a historical figure, an artist, or anyone who intrigues you. Now simply ask ChatGPT a question like, tell me a fun fact about, and then insert the famous person's name. So we're gonna try it now. Let's ask ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT responds with fascinating facts about your chosen personality. You'll be surprised by the interesting tidbits you uncover. Now that you've got a handful of fun facts, share them with your friends, family, or colleagues. It's a great way to spark conversations and impress others with your newfound knowledge. If you're hungry for more facts, go ahead and ask ChatGPT about other famous personalities. You'll be amazed by the wealth of information it can provide. And that's it. You've learned how to use ChatGPT to unearth entertaining facts about famous personalities. It's a fantastic way to broaden your horizon and have a bit of fun along the way. Thank you for joining me today and learning this cool trick with ChatGPT. Now you can impress your friends with intriguing facts about their favorite icons. Remember, knowledge is a journey, and with tools like ChatGPT, it becomes all the more exciting. Until next time!